Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now, in further video, we have learned about map of Gujarat and map of India and map of world. What is map and everything we have learned in before video. And today we are going to learn about directions in which let us read it first. National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. It is NATMO is situated in Kolkata, and it is a institution which creates the map, including thematic map like rainfall distribution of Gujarat. They make the map of different kinds of map where rain distribution of map like a railway, road, and many more. As we can see here that there are main three components of the map: direction, scale, and conventional signs. Now, filling the blanks as given below. You are aware of the direction east, right there west, north, and right down there south. These are the four directions: east, west, north, and south. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Right down there. Here east and there west. Now stand facing in east, then exactly behind you is the west. Check it out whether you are standing facing east and your behind will be your west. Now take a compass and find out the south and north directions. Then find out the directions of the school gate, post office, dispensary, library, river, pond, bridge, etc. as given in the table. If you have nowadays, you can know that technology has been very wide. So in your mobile phones also there will be compass, and open it and find the gate, post office, dispensary, shop, river, pond, or well, and temple, where in which direction it is situated in your village, because you are not coming at the school. So whatever direction is there in your village, you have to write down in this box. Now there is a sign of N which denotes as a north direction, shows in the upper side of every map. Thus, if you will get one correct direction, you will find out all other directions. If you find north direction or any direction in the map, then you can know all the other directions where it is present in the map. Now let us look forward. I am a Rajan student. I am going to my uncle's house alone. What he says that he is going alone at his uncle's house. I am sure I will reach there because I have a map to my help. He is saying that I have a map with the help of that I can go to my uncle's house. Do you know how vast is our earth? Our earth is so big that we know. Even though the earth is huge, any part of it can be drawn on the paper by minimizing it using a scale. We can take a scale and we can draw on the paper by which we can know the map. Suppose there is a 1 kilometer distance between your village and your school. If there is 1 kilometer distance between these both, how can we draw and show such a great distance on the map as we have drawn before that I have drawn the map of Vasho to Palana as I showed the route of it. Like that you can also draw the same backs and the back of the page. we scale down the distance. If we take the scale 1 kilometer, that is equals to 100 meter, we will be able to show the exact distance between any two places. If we take this distance 1 kilometer, that is equals to 100 meter, then we can know the two different places of the distance exact as this 1 kilometer. Now let us look behind. You have observed the scale of a map. By using such a scale, you can show the distance between any school and huge water tank. You can show different types of symbols by which you can know that whether a school is present or a water tank is present or a grate is present. As you can see below that five symbols which are given here. If you are able to show, you can similarly show the distance between village or a town and the district headquarter or a taluka headquarter. For this, you can string scale or on the paper. Now, you know that there are so many sites which may be natural or man-made. As we know that nowadays there are many man-made routes and many man-made sites which are made by man, and many natural historical buildings are also present. If you want to show that in the map, then how you will show? Then you can show by color, shades, spatial shapes and creatures, conventional signs and lines. By this you can show different types of man-made and natural things. This conventional science gives lots of information within the limits of map. As we can see in below table that many conventional signs are given by which all the countries have the same sign by which we can know whatever the item is present. You might have heard that foreigners are able to travel our country by using a map, even though they do not know any language, local directions. As we know that many foreigners comes in our country for seeing the historical buildings. They use the map and come here and see the historical buildings because the signs are same. Thus, we can see the language of a map is common across countries. As we can see that all the countries has the same map symbols by which all the countries can know conventional signs. These signs of order symbols which are well known and understood by anyone are known as conventional signs. What is conventional signs? That any symbol or any signs which are known by all the countries are known as a conventional signs. As here they have given many conventional signs like mountain, top, river, road, railway, post office, northern direction of a map, border of a district, state border, international border, scale, capital of nation, capital of a state, headquarters of a district, city and police station. They have given a conventional signs and you have to draw the same signs as they have given. They draw the same. We have to draw them as I have drawn here. Now let us look the colors. In colors used in a map gives the map a good look and also provides different information. As we know that in our maps there are many different colors by which we also can indicate that what the black color indicates, that here the black color indicates man-made features like building, roads, railway lines, etc. Blue indicates water bodies like seas, oceans, wells, canals, etc. And green color indicates mountain, trains and hills, and yellow indicates the plain. Now let us draw, but if you can't draw, then you have to stick this Indian map. If you have possible, you can stick or whether you can draw on it. After drawing it or after sticking it, what you have to do it, we have to do some conventional signs like here where I have shown iron, charcoal, lime and many other more we can show in this, and we have to stick or you can draw on the page number 11 where the box is given. You have to show the iron wherever you like, wherever it is present, and stick on it, and the back you have exercise with which we will do later. Thank you.